Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's been a day or two since I posted a video, a couple of weeks I believe. But I want to show you what a buddy of mine was out at the local Dollar Tree where hasn't had any Hot Wheels, hasn't had anything but Matchbox and very few of those in quite a while. So anyway, I want to show you here the Stars and Stripes. I hadn't even saw these anywhere. He called and said, you might want to run out there. So I went out there and well, here's number one, AMC Javelin AMX, number 1 of 10. Pretty good looking car. I didn't even know these were a thing. I'm kind of new to this still, getting back into the collecting if you've seen any of my other videos. The 71 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, number 2 of 10. That's another good looking car. I'm not really a Plymouth or Chrysler fan, but it goes to the set. The 64 Pontiac GTO, number 3 of 10. And I think you're seeing where I'm going here. When I got there was quite a few of them. We got a 68 Hemi Barracuda. Okay, all these done up in some sort of flag, stars, and stripes. This is my first time finding any of this set of any year, so I'm kind of excited about it. We got a, what is this, a Chevy Blazer 4x4, number 5 of 10. All the cards had a little, if you can see it right there, must have been packed in the box a little funny. Nobody took no love about any of that, that's for sure. Then we got a 68 El Camino, number 6 of 10. That's a good looking car. Then we got a 70 Camaro RS, one of my favorite castings that Hot Wheels has out. They've got it this year. I think this is the same casting in the Then and Now set. Then we've got number 8 of 10, the Plymouth Duster. And it's all blue here. Again, I'm not a Plymouth or Chrysler fan, but seems to be part of the set. We'll take it. A 68 Plymouth Barracuda, Super Stock Hemi, number 9 of 10. And you guessed it, I got all 10 of them. 68 Mercury Cougar, 10 of 10. So, this is my other, I like this casting pretty good. It ain't my favorite, but it's kind of goes along with that Camaro. I really like it. Then on my way back through, I stopped at ye old Walmart against my better judgment. And I got another factory fresh Honda Civic. Since this is my second one, I think I may take this one apart, do a custom. Leave the paint alone. It's got all the headlights and tail lights. Just do nothing except a wheel swap. I've got a set of wheels off of another one. I really want to try on that one since I've got 2 of them now. Let's see. I found this little car right here. The Rip Rod. I thought it was pretty neat. Kind of getting into those a little bit. I know it's kind of a fantasy car just a little bit, but I found it and I liked it. And then while I was out at the Family Dollar, or Dollar Tree, I'm sorry, I run across this. This is a really plain little old car. It's a Matchbox. A 79 Chevy Nova. And let me get it back in focus, I'm sorry. I was just really impressed at the detail. Really liked the way this one looked. I don't know what it is about it. It's a plain car, but I just kind of liked it. Then I haven't paid much attention to Matchbox. I ran across this. I bought 2 of them. They had like 6 of them, so I bought 2. 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. They're identical. There's no variation or whatever. I really like this. I don't know what color that is, but it kind of reminds me of the VTEC, the blue that used to be on the VTEC, the Honda Civic VTECs back in the 90s. That was a really awesome color. One of my dream cars. Never to get to own one of them, but I wanted one. Okay. Then while I was at the Walmart, I picked up another one of these 92 Ford Mustangs from the Fast and Furious. It's a premium car. That's a little more than I want to pay for a Hot Wheel, but if you want one, you got to pay it. While I was there, of course, they had about 4 of these. I bagged another one of those. Never can have too many of them. I might use that for a trade or a swap. Keep it. I've got one in my collection, so I may trade around on that one a little bit. And this one here, the Lykan Hypersport. I didn't really like this car. Don't really care much for those kind of mid-engine supercars, I guess. But this one, I saw it and I'm like, man, they really put some detail in that thing. I like it. Like the color. So I went ahead and bagged it. And these next 2 are really hard to find in my area. I don't know what it is about them. the Zamax. We got a Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. I've seen lots of videos from lots of other collectors. Those are dropping in a lot of areas, but around here they're scarce. It's the first two that I've actually found. I've bought a couple off some guys, and a BMW M3 GT2. Those were hanging there on the pegs, both of the 2021 collection, number 11 and number 12. I bagged them while I could find them because, like I said, they're hard to come by around here. Last but not least, the Porsche 356 Outlaw with the Gulf livery on it. It's really hard to, here again, like I said, folks, these are, I don't know if I can get it in focus, J case. Come on, focus. They're J case. I'm not sure what case these are. These are K case. But anyway, they're really hard to come by in my area. You just can't find them. If you work a normal job, maybe, I don't know what it is, they're stocking hours when you just can't find these things. So that's all I have to show you today. Just a quick video. Really proud of some of these I've picked up. Really do like these little Mustangs right here. I don't know, Matchbox has not been on my radar. When I was a kid, I had Matchbox, I had Hot Wheels. Just whatever comes along, you know, I seen it, I liked it, and used my allowance to buy it, or mom, dad bought it for me. You know how kid stuff goes. But anyway, when I got bigger, I'm sticking strictly with Hot Wheels, but I'm telling you, some of these right here just really caught my eye. I don't know what it is about this plain Jane 79 Nova, but I kind of like it. Well, like I said, stay tuned. We're probably going to do a custom on this Civic right here. I've got another project channel that I'm working on. May or may not see where that one goes. I don't know. I'm kicking around some ideas, but more news on that later. And pan the camera up to the screen here. I am on, as of today, June the 28th, 2021. I am on 900, and let's refresh this to make sure we got it up to date. Excuse my backdrop here. I've kind of got, my desk is a mess. 908 subscribers. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway coming up. Some to pertain, some to lean toward my Hot Wheels subscribers, some toward my cooking, some toward maybe my John Deere. I don't know really. I'm going to have to come up with 2 or 3 different things once we hit 1,000. Now that's for 1,000 subs, but I'm going to come up with a video and just stay tuned for it. It's going to be announcing what it's going to be. Probably be 3 prizes. Try to give everybody a little something. I don't know. Anyway, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Pass the word around. Let's help this channel grow if you would. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day. See you on the next one.